Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in my channel YouTube with me Ziana Wanty. So this time I will review one of the tourist attraction that is not widely known by the public because it is not exposed. And do you know what this place? This place is Sendang Bulus Pagar. It is located in Pagar Village, Bungkal, Ponorogo. And you must know that this place is not far from center of Ponorogo. It's about 45 minutes to go to this place. And I think the terrain that is traversed is also very easy and suitable for all types of vehicle. Then, what do we get in this place? Check it out. The first is a large parking space and admission is free. We only pay the parking fee for 5,000 rupiah for motorcycle and 10,000 rupiah for cars. The second one is, this is Sendang Bulus, so we can see and feed it. But the term is that Bulus food is only provided by the food administrator, paying 2,000 for one plastic bag. Not only the Bulus, we can also feed the fish. And the nights, here also available a variety of plays for adult and children. And in this place, the playground are provided, and we can find some food stall that provide some delicious food such as noodle, nasi kering, egg roll, ketan, and many other food. There is also a dog food for adults, so you can enjoy it. The cost is also quite affordable, 20,000 for 2 people as long as you like. And the last, this place is very shady and cool, plus beautiful mountain view that make many photo spot to try. So I will show you this photo. So guys, are you interested to go here with your family? You can camp and enjoy a quiet vacation in a small budget. So let's visit this place with loved one. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.